Welcome back to my channel, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the notifications. Today we are going to see about the basic elements for mehendis. There are three basic pillars of mehendis. They are first pressure, speed and movement. These three things play a main role to get a perfect mehendi and to be a professionalist. Okay guys, for beginners I am going to show how to draw the basic elements in today's session. Let's go into the video. First we require the mehendi and tissue. You guys can take tissue or cotton or any waste cloth you have. Then before starting the mehendi, we should squeeze the mehendi for a half inch. See, like this. Keep half inch. Just squeeze it. The purpose of squeezing is to get, if any lumps is there, it can block the mehendi, so we can interrupt it at the center, so that. Then one more trick is there. If any air sacs inside the mehendi, we can roll like this in keeping it between the palms, so that the air can be released and there will be not any stuck during drawing the mehendis. Yes, let's start. Now I'm going to show how to draw the lines, guys. The basic thing of every mehendi is line. See, first hold the henna like this, then start. See, like this, start and just drag the line. Don't touch the surface. See guys, okay, I have stopped it. If you touch the surface and draw the line will be like this. Let's show you. See, can't be perfect, guys. We get the uneven or zigzag or uneven tone like this, so that we must draw the lines like this only. It's the perfect way. Just I will show you again. See, leave, then just drag it. Okay guys, the main thing here must be you should be patient. Okay guys, the pressure and the speed of your drawing must be controlled. Okay, if you rush, you can't get the perfect line, guys. See, I am going speed. See, this is the line I got. If you're not touching the surface and draw the line speedily, if you get like this, just a squeezy, it will become like that. Okay guys, see, I will show you again. Just drop it and just drag it. Okay guys, you must be practiced to draw the lines in all directions. See guys, this is a perfect line, but this is wrong, this is wrong, this is correct, this is correct, this is wrong. Okay, then I will show you to draw the board lines. Just draw the lines as I shown. See, okay, then draw another line parallel to it, little bit closer. For beginners, you can keep a distance, but after practicing, you also will get the closer lines. So just fill the gap by leaving a high pressure on mehendi. Okay, this is perfect, guys. This is perfect bold line. This is the procedure to draw the bold lines. But if you leave the high pressure and drag it, what will happen? I will tell you. Wait. See, I couldn't handle and I can't drag it to longer length. See, and one more thing here to be noted is there is uneven. Let's see, let's draw another time. See, for border lines it's not coming well, and the line is not uneven. Yeah, this looks uneven, guys. Let I show you to draw a perfect one more time. See, just draw lines like this, two parallel lines. Then just fill it. Okay, guys, this is perfect. Okay, guys, this is perfect, this is wrong, this is wrong, and some people even draw the borderline like this, but this is also not the perfect way. After drawing a line, they will put a high pressure on this line.
Hi, Mom.
This is also not perfect line. Okay, let's show you again. Just drag the line as I told you before, two parallel lines, then just fill it by leaving a high pressure. The pressure maintenance is the most important thing in drawing the mehendi, guys, so that you must know how to handle the pressure. Okay, guys, then we will go to next element, that is called as humps or frills. The humps or frills is nothing, it's just the alphabet letter U. This U shape. Okay, let I show you how to draw. Just drag the line, then start to draw humps. See, slowly you must draw. See, guys, but the length and the width of the humps should be same in all things, so that it will look attractive. See, just draw the line. For beginners, you can draw another baseline, reference line lightly, then draw humps slowly, touching both baseline and the reference line, so that you also will get the perfect humps. Then one more thing here to be noted is some people will draw the humps like this. They will touch the baseline, guys. See, but it will look messy and our design will get totally erupted, so that avoid these things. See, I will show you again. Breadth and the length must be equal. I got practiced so that I am not using the reference line, so that I will get the perfect humps or frills without the reference line, guys. But for the beginners, you can draw the reference line like this, then fill it, then draw the humps. Okay, see, guys, it will be perfect. This is correct, this is correct, but these two are wrong. we can also draw the wider humps. See guys, for wider humps also I am not touching the surface, okay. While you touch the surface, what will happen is, see guys, it looks somewhat uneven, and comparing this to this looks like a perfect and neat, but it's not neat. So that I prefer to draw, and this is the proper way to draw the humps. Okay, using these two elements, today I will show to draw a design, one design. See, first I am going to draw the line. I am going to draw 4 parallel lines. Just like this guys. I am drawing a little bit closer. If you practice, you also will get the perfection and the closer lines. Now I am going to fill these 2 lines to get a bolder line. Okay, it's done. Then humps. Just to slowly draw. Don't rush to complete your mehendi. If you rush, you will not get the perfect and attractive look. If you want to get your mehendi attractive, you must have a passion. As the proverb said, practice makes a man perfect. Keep on practicing so that you can be you can also become a professionalist one day. See guys, I have done. So this design can be used as the border elements or filling elements or starting elements in mehendi for both bridal or traditional mehendi guys. Okay, thank you for watching. Today's session is over guys. Thank you for watching this video, and other basic elements are there. I will be uploaded on my upcoming videos guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.